Hey guys, and here I have another Jendo from TexasJim. I think it's a 5-pin Schlage cylinder, but I'm not sure. Big thanks to you, Jim. Owe you one, mate. I have so much fun over such a long time with all your logs. So now I will try get this open. Key works fine, and this is bitting. What I've learned here by this log, I tried for a long time with no success. Then I changed the tension from clockwise to counterclockwise. After that it was much easier. Really light tension, and I start from the back and worked to the front. Now I'm on pin 5. Pick falset. And oh, so now it's open. So, and now we will see what is in this log. So, a little tip from me: I don't like to fiddle around here with this little pin. It's much easier with a little screw. And easier when I set it down. So this pin. So pin 1 serrated, pin 2 serrated. Come on, yeah. So 4 and 5. They all are serrated, and now in the core, the standard. Another standard. A spool. And another standard. will go a little bit closer. Thank you for your time, all the best, and bye.